Cryptosporidiosis. Introduction. Crypto is an illness that affects the intestines. Select true or false. Correct. Crypto symptoms can reappear after a person starts feeling better. Select true or false. Correct. In some cases, crypto symptoms come and go for up to a month. This is true even for people with healthy immune systems. Crypto must be ingested, meaning swallowed, before it can infect a person. Select true or false. Correct. Crypto cannot be spread by blood. The parasite must be swallowed before it can cause an infection. You can treat diarrhea in babies with anti-diarrheal medicine without first consulting with your healthcare provider. Select true or false. Correct. Anti-diarrheal medicine may help slow down diarrhea, but you should consult a healthcare provider before giving it to your child. You can get crypto from a public swimming pool. Select true or false. Correct. Crypto can survive in swimming pools. If you swallow water that has crypto in it, you could get the infection. Thank you for using Explain.